Mineral-based haemostatics are comprised of non-resorbable, non-woven fibre impregnated with an active ingredient like kaolin. Kaolin is an inorganic, fine, white clay powder resulting from the natural decomposition of other clays or feldspar. These products work utilising a single mechanism of action activated by factor 12. They require the application of intense manual pressure for at least 3 to 5 minutes in order to be effective. Woundclot utilises multiple mechanisms of action, including rapid fluid absorption, adherence and expansion in the wound, aggregation of platelets and clotting factors, creating an environment conducive to clotting, as well as activation of factors 11 and 12. Woundclot is also actively absorbent for up to 24 hours in the wound,